And now I'm making my first low sugar apple pie, and I'm using Welch's 100% apple juice. This doesn't have any sugar in it or any artificial ingredients. So I want you to stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. So these are the ingredients that we're going to use. I did not use the stevia. So we're going to cut up our apples into slices. Right now I'm making the paste that goes inside of the pie. I'm using cornstarch for thickness, cinnamon for flavor, and a can of apple juice, 100% sugar free. So we're going to mix that up and leave it to the side. Next, we're going to take our apples and saute in the pot for probably 8 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to add that paste that we previously made. Now we're going to put the apples inside of the crust. Isn't that pretty? So now I'm taking the top layer that I previously made, and I'm just going to cover our apples. And I'm going to take a fork and just to make the edges look very pretty, for decoration. And now I'm going to take a knife and make little holes at the top of the pie so that it's able to bake properly with these air vents. And now I'm going to put the pie in the oven for 45 minutes. And voila, my first time making a sugar-free apple pie. Thanks, guys.